It's time for me to show you how to make some of the best, juiciest chicken and healthy you've ever had. Check it out. Get you a pan with a tight fitting lid. We're gonna go on and turn this up to like a medium high temperature. I'm gonna use an avocado oil, enough to cover the bottom of the pan, just like that. Now all you gotta do is grab the Dano's Original, that's the green top. We're gonna get our 2 chicken breasts and we're gonna hit it with the pop, just like that. We're gonna give them a nice coating. That's all you gotta do. Now check this out. I'm just gonna take a fork and I'm simply going to place the chicken in there, season side down. Grab my Dano's Original, and look at where it's at, right where my finger's at. Pop, 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 pop. A bunch of it, even get it down there in the juice. Wow, it's amazing. It's like we didn't even use any. That's all you gotta do. So we're gonna let it cook like that for about 3 or 4 minutes, give it a flip, then we'll put the lid on and I'll show you how to do it. All right, they've been cooking like this for about 3 minutes or so. We're gonna go on, give them a flip, put a lid on it. We're gonna turn it down to like a medium low. All right, it's been exactly 4 minutes. Give it a flip. Just put this back on for another 3 or 4 minutes. All right, it's been another 3 minutes, around 135. That is where I do this. I put the lid on and I turn it off. Now I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes in that residual heat. We'll see you in 10 minutes. They'll be over 165 and they'll be nice and juicy. All right, it's been 10 minutes. Just above 165, perfect. Now let's cut into these juicy chickens. Look at that, slices right through with that new Dano steel. Get us a bite right out of the center. Look at that, my friends. Perfectly cooked. For what I just did, using just a little bit of oil and Dano's, nobody's beating that. Actually, hang on, this video's not done. You need you one of these. Get your chicken, put it in your little tub, get your juice right here, pour it right over the top. That's gonna be one of the best meal preps you've ever had in your life. You can thank me later. Yum, yum, get you some. We'll see you next time.